Hey everybody, how are my Glow Tarts doing today? I hope everybody's well. Alright guys, so we have the fourth palette revealed for the June Yes Oh Yes box. Now remember guys that there will be 4 different variation palettes. That's why they are showing 4 different palettes. You will get one of these palettes in your June box. So I'll first show you the first 3 that we've just seen. So this one right here is the first palette that was revealed, and these ain't really revealed, it's just kind of teasers, so we don't know exactly what palettes they are. And this is palette number 2, which oh my gosh, that's gorgeous. I love it. And then of course palette number 3. And then, of course, the newly revealed palette, that is this one. I think all 4 of them are absolutely gorgeous. Now, again, we don't know what palettes these are, so I'm hoping they do a big reveal on what palettes these are going to be sometime soon. And if they do, I will update you guys. Also, guys, if you want to try Yes Oh Yes out, if you have not yet subscribed to them, I do have a code for you. It is Self-Taught Beauty, and that will be in all caps. That'll get you 10% off of your first box. If you want to check them out, they are linked down below in the description box. And as always, guys, make sure your bell is on. That way you are notified of every video I upload. You do not want to miss any spoilers. Also, rate the video. Give it a thumbs up if you liked it. Give it a thumbs down if you didn't. That shows me what videos y'all like. That way I can adjust whatever I need to adjust so you guys will enjoy my videos. And one more tiny favor before you guys go ahead and hit that subscribe button and join my Glow Tart family. We would love to have you, and I love you guys so much, and I will see you in the next one. Bye guys.